Looking for a simple way to make your lock smarter? Transform your deadbolt with Kevo Convert from Kwikset. Installation is a snap. Simply replace the interior of your existing lock, Kwikset or otherwise, with a stylish Kevo Convert, while keeping the beautiful exterior you know and love. Now you can use the Kevo app, available on iOS and Android, to lock and unlock your door. Send e-keys to anyone with a few taps, and revoke access just as easily. You'll receive notifications whenever someone comes or goes, so you can always feel secure knowing your home is safe, even when you're away. Kevo Convert. Only from Kwikset, made for the world you live in.